Hi guys, what's going on? This is Om Power back with another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to make a transparent text like this. And so without wasting any time, let's start with the video.
Yeah.
So I am here in Pixel Lab and just edit your text. I will write here just the text and press the OK button and go in A and choose your font. And this time I will use the bold font and just will say make the some size little bigger. Yeah, yes, and we'll make the background transparent and save it to gallery. So I am here in PS Touch. Take a blank document of this size and just fill and stroke color black, and we will put the text here some bigger, yes, and we'll select the pixels, go in the black layer and clear, and we'll delete this text. And so we have done the guys the text. We'll save it to gallery in the form of PNG and open. So I am here in KineMaster. Just take any video of your choice and we'll put the text file here and place it properly, guys. Yes, and extend it to the end of the project, the file, and here guys we'll just play it, and this looks nice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, like this video and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more amazing videos like this.
Stick it.